Welcome! This is the overview for week 1, class 1. This is the first class, so there'll be a lot of different things that we're going to go over in the overview video, such as classroom procedures and programming assignments. And so let's get to it. First, take a minute and look at the syllabus. It's up on the e-learning and has all the information that you need in it. This will pretty much be your planning document for the term. On the first page, you have all my contact information. Since all students are asynchronous this term, all office hours will be done through appointments. You can schedule one at any time using that link. Next, course materials. There's a book that we'll be using, shown here. In addition, you can purchase the Cengage MindTap, which has all the programming assignments. Next, all assignments are listed with their weeks. Some things to note. Monday, January 18th is MLK Day, and the lecture will be uploaded before Monday. Each quiz, you'll have 2 chances, and the 2 grades will get averaged together, and you must wait at least 2 hours before doing a retake. Last, you can get extra credit points by doing one of the Game Zone assignments found in the book and on MindTap. Only 1 per week for an extra 5 points, and they are due no later than Saturday of the week by 11:55 p.m. Next is the schedule. We'll talk more about the final project in depth in the upcoming weeks. And finally, the assignment week. Next is the program grading rubric, as we will go into more next. Finally, there are guidelines regarding email correspondence. Email is the easiest way to get a hold of me, and you are expected to check your email at least once a day. And lastly, these are the sections that are in every course. If you choose to use MindTap, there are instructions uploaded here. But let's look more closely at the programming assignment details. This is a very detailed document explaining the rubric used for all assignments with code. There are 5 criteria that are reviewed while grading. First is the program specifications and the correctness of the code. Please take note of the section about assumptions and how to document them. Second is the code readability. This includes indentation, whitespace, variable names, organization. Next, code documentation. This includes file names, the code headers, and all the internal comments that you should have in your code. And then lastly, we have code efficiency and assignment specifications. And then finally, at the end, we have the rubric detailed a little bit more than in the syllabus, repeated here as well. So there are 2 other videos associated with today's class. The first, there's going to be a lecture, and the second one will be a walkthrough of the case study problem for the chapter. One thing I want to point out in the lecture is that any vocabulary words can be found in